Thank you to the Mexican customer for choosing to purchase our EA1000C3 rental LED screen. This EA1000C3 rental LED screen is distinguished by its sturdy and beautiful material design, which not only provides excellent durability but also displays exquisite quality in appearance. The left and right sides are equipped with two quick locking devices, which significantly speeds up the assembly of the screen and ensures the flatness of the screen, bringing better visual effects to the event site. In addition, the bottom of the EA1000C3 cabinet is specially designed with anti-collision feet to effectively protect the edges of the LED modules and avoid possible damage during transportation and installation.